Hello and welcome to ALABS, presenting you the Apex Series Trinocular Compound Microscope. The ALABS Apex Series Research Microscope features coaxial coarse and fine focus controls, movable condenser with iris diaphragm, double-layer, rackless coaxial mechanical stage of size 200 by 140 millimeters. The microscope features reverse-angle quintuple nosepiece ball-bearing type with clip stops and rubber grip, equipped with advanced infinity-corrected objectives, ensuring sharper images, improved contrast, and accurate color reproduction across all magnifications. Control knob for varying light intensity. Specimen mover handwheels for live analysis. At the backside, we have here is the socket for power adapter. The microscope features precision color illumination with dual light modes, natural and warm white, for optimal viewing flexibility. The microscope is equipped with 5 infinity plan objectives, 4x, 10x, 20x, 40x, and 100x, delivering flat-field, high-resolution imaging across all magnifications. It comes with a pair of 10x wide-field eyepieces with 22 mm field of view, offering an expanded viewing area for enhanced clarity and reduced eye strain during long working hours. For enhanced ergonomics and imaging flexibility, the microscope comes equipped with a 30-degree inclined trinocular head, allowing comfortable observation along with camera integration. Now, let's view the live microscope image directly on our laptop using the integrated image analysis software. In addition to laptop connectivity, the microscope also supports direct HDMI output. It can be connected to a monitor or projector. At present, we are attaching the 4K color camera to an HDMI screen to display the live specimen in ultra-high resolution. Thank you for watching.